Since I'm creating these little shoes today, I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to share how I do two of my most used stitches, a back stitch and a whip stitch. In this video, I'll be showing how to do the whip stitch. Now to explain how we do the whip stitch, I'm going to draw you a lovely illustration. So let's imagine this is our first piece of fabric and it's overlapping our second piece of fabric. Our cotton or our thread would come from the bottom and it would come to this position here. From this position, we want to bring it underneath this little lip of fabric edge and come up here. Then the cotton or the thread will go across to this position here. That would create a little slant of a stitch across here. So from this position, we're going to go back under the fabric and come up here. So from this position, we go over the top, back to the underlapping fabric, and then we move to this position. When I create these little shoes, it's worth noting that I don't bring the needle all the way through to this side. I just catch a little bit of the felt on this side. So my stitch actually looks like the needle comes in, grabs just a little bit of fabric, and then comes under there. In, out, over here. Across, we go in, out, and back to here. Over here, in, out, under, back to here. And as we are doing this, sorry, that looks really messy. So let me just fix this so I can demonstrate that a bit better. So we start from this position and we will end up here. This position, sorry, those ones are normally straight. So that's a straight stitch. And then from here, we go and catch a piece there. This part is straight. That bit's up, you won't see that bit. So these bits, the thread goes under, but this is the bit that we will see on our seam. So this stitch goes under, this one goes across. This stitch goes under, this one goes across. This stitch goes under, and this one goes across. So that's how we end up with our slant as we work up the edge of the fabric. But I'll show you that in a moment. Actually, I can show you that right now. You can see, I obviously worked this from the bottom to the top, and you can see these little slanted stitches to the top there. So I've been working on this little shoe here, and I finished my back stitch along the side here. Now I want a whip stitch on this edge. So like I said, we're going to bring the needle up just beside that little, just beside the top fabric. And from this position, we're going to bring it up onto the top fabric. Now, this is where we start our whip stitch, from the bottom to the top, and it looks like this. Now we want our stitches to be small. And I'm catching just the smallest bit of fabric under here as I go into, ouch, my skin, as I go into that top piece of fabric there. And there we finished that section. So you can see that that's the whip stitch all done, and it keeps everything nice and neat and finishes that edge really nicely. And let's bring this to the other side and tie off our knot there, and our whip stitch is finished. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, show your support by giving it a like. And if you'd like to stay updated with all of my new tutorials, please subscribe.